Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the first question in exercise 7.14. The demand function for a commodity is given by P is equal to 100 minus 8x. Find the consumer's surplus at equilibrium price P0 is equal to 4. So what is given to us is P is equal to 100 minus 8x and P0 is equal to 4. So let's substitute. So P0 is 4. So 4 is equal to 100 minus 8 into x0. So 8x0 is going to be 100 minus 4, which is 96. So x0 is going to be 96 divided by 8, which is 12. So now what is consumer surplus? Consumer surplus is nothing but integral 0 to x0. It is going to be integral of p dx minus x0 p0. So let's substitute. So this is cs is going to be integral 0 to 12 100 minus 8x dx. Then there is going to be x0 into p0. So 4 into 12. So this we will keep this outside the integration. Now let's perform the integration. So consumer surplus is going to be 100x minus 8x squared by 2 within the limits 0 to 12, and then there is a minus 48. So consumer surplus is going to be equal to 100x minus 4x squared between the limits 0 to 12 minus 48. So let's substitute the upper limit. So this is 100 into 12. So this is 1200 minus 12 squared is going to be equal to 144. 144 into 4 is 576. Then there is a minus, lower limit is all 0, so I'm skipping that part, minus 48. So if you perform all this subtraction, the final answer is going to be equal to 576. So consumer surplus is equal to rupees 576. In the next video, we will find the solution for the second question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.